Rolling, keep looking at that. We're so pumped to show you one of our recent purchases here in the Daintree, the fan palm forest.
Come and see.
Check it out. This place in itself should be World Heritage listed, but that's what we're aiming for next. And if you look up here, you can actually, these trees, it takes 1,000 years to grow just a metre. It is incredible. So look how old these must be. So when you come here and you've raised some money and you've gone half cut, we want to take you to the fan palm, and this is just the beginning. Let's get on in there. Let's go. Oh, that'll do.
Down.
Oh, well, we can go in that way and we can go further down.
Alright, give us a wave.
Where?
Nice.